What do you want?
Like I said, you're gonna fix this for me.
To do what?
Drain dark matter.
Who's dark matter?
None of your business.
It is my business.
No, it's not.
There's no chance that I help you.
It's none of your business.
Cicadas!
Cicada. The one who got away. You want to destroy Cicada's dagger, don't you?
We want to save lives.
You want to save lives. I bet you do. I bet you do, especially your own, right, Marion?
Look, that me. He's gonna wake up soon. He sees me standing here. Your whole timeline is gonna be blown to hell. You're never gonna get home. You know that's true.
I know! Where are my manners? Can I get you a cup of water? So, who made this?
Someone smarter than you.
I doubt that. You know, Alan, for your plan to work, you're going to actually have to have his dagger in your possession.
We've got that covered.
You've got that covered. How's that?
With this.
Is that?
It's a piece of Savitar suit, yeah.
You know what's funny about your dad, Nora? She hates me. Hates me with a passion. And yet, a version of him is Savitar. Much bigger jerk than I ever was. Did you see the face? Did you see the like pizza face?
Can you hurry up?
Yeah, I'll hurry up. I gotta tell you, Alan, using Savitar's suit, it's a smart idea.
That was hers.
Clever girl. Oops. Gotta go. I still look forward to seeing how this all pans out. Nora.